Hello, I'm Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. Today we got a little woman exclusive. I love a good Jordan woman sneaker. So today we are unboxing the Air Jordan 1 LV8D Elevated Bred, also known as the Jordan 1 Elevate. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. On the box we have a classic Nike box, but instead of the Jordan logo, we do have the Nike logo. Typical branding. I mean, this is the Bred toe, so it makes sense to go with some branded box. Got very minimal branding. I mean, this is a classic colorway, and I feel like the box pays classic homage to it. No logos on the sides. The only logo you get is on the size of the sticker. The lid has a little bit of that Air Jordan Wings logo. And then you got the size sticker. I got this in my 7 women's size. Heard that it fits true to the size. We'll see what happens. I also want to mention that I picked these up from my favorite sneaker store ever, Major in DC. They're located in Georgetown. If you haven't been, you have to go. If you like sneakers, definitely talk to the owner and create that conversation, bridge that new relationship, and make a connection to Major, the store. Woo, so good. The box did include some white tissue paper, and it is branded very subtly with both Nike and Jordan logos. And here we go. We have the Jordan 1 Elevate in the classic Bred colorway. So this sneaker actually released on February 18th for a retail price of $145 US. When these first came out, I was super excited because at the time I wanted a platform looking sneaker. I have the opening ceremony sneaker, and that does also have a little bit of platform. I have them in pink though, and I've been wanting something a little bit darker, a little bit more red. So I thought, wow, when I saw this in person, I was actually impressed, and that's what honestly intrigued me to buy this shoe. Let's dig a little bit into the sneaker. This colorway represents OG Jordan heritage. The Bred colorway is a classic colorway to the Jordan brand. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to pick up this shoe. I don't actually own Jordan 1 Breds, although if someone's selling, hit me up. But like I said, been looking for something with a little bit more of a platform heel. Also wanted something that's not too heavy, although I will say these definitely have a little bit of weight to them. You have this subtly off-white midsole. I believe the midsole is made of foam, while the outsole is red and features a rubber outsole, which makes sense. You'll be able to get some wear and tear into the shoe. One thing that sets this sneaker apart is that the upper features premium leather. You see nothing but the best of materials used for the shoe. Little hints of red all featured across the shoe. You have red hit on the toe box, the Nike swoosh, and then of course the back heel. Can't forget about the laces, although it did come with a pair of extra black laces. I'm definitely going to be lacing one of these shoes in black. The upper features overlays of black leather constructed both on the medial and lateral sides. Thought it was interesting that the tongue doesn't actually have its crazy branding, or any branding for that matter, on the very front of it. Tongue is also made of black premium leather. I love the very subtle integration of suede in the sock liner. The very back heel has a little bit more of like a tan beige color before kind of going into an all black sock liner. One of the most interesting things about the shoe is the insole. The insole features a Cork Insole with Jordan printed on it. I believe this is the special dunk contest printed insole. One of the reasons why a lot of people were also interested in this shoe is because it came with this really cute gold chain with a Jordan symbol on the end. This pays homage to the 1985 Slam Dunk contest where Michael Jordan wore his chains. I love that Nike was able to integrate like an old and a new and do it in a very seamless, elevated manner. It's probably why they called this shoe the Elevate. Upper features mainly black and red threading, so it just kind of goes seamlessly into the upper's design. On the back heel, instead of your classic Jordan 1 Wings logo, they actually only did kind of like the outline of the famous wings. I like it because it kind of like takes the branding away from being so in your face. It elevates the shoe, I think, that much more just because you're kind of, once again, bridging the past with the future or the current. So I appreciate that it's not like a crazily branded shoe. And also, like, if I wore this, you can immediately see If you didn't see the sole, you would be able to tell from the upper that this is not a Jordan 1 upper. Okay, I don't want anyone to give me flack, but it's not a Jordan 1 low upper. Looking down on the shoe, it does kind of feel like it's a little bit skinnier somewhat. I won't be able to actually tell, but I do feel like the last use for this might have been a slightly different or modified from a Jordan 1 low or even a Jordan 1 high. I think this is going to style extremely well with skirts and dresses, but I think it can add a nice little touch for going into the office, wearing a ton of Aritzia weekender pants, and I think this is going to look so good with them. What do you guys think about this shoe? Do you like that Jordan brand is innovating, or do you want to stick to the old stuff? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.